Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine.
My dear students, another most important math from chapter number 3, that is from cash flow statement. On 1st January 2017, cash in hand was of taka 1 lakh of Sonali Company Limited. Other information of the company were the following as at 31st December 2017. Net income, increase of debtors, increase of creditors, decrease of closing stock, depreciation, decrease of outstanding expenses, decrease of prepaid expenses, purchase of furniture, sale of furniture, land purchase, sale of long-term investment, investment to another company, and issue of share 1000 shares at the rate of taka 100 at a premium taka 10. Dividend paid, redemption of bond. Okay, dear students, now requirement. Net cash from investing activities, net cash from operating activities, and prepare cash flow statement. Okay, dear students, now let's go to solve the math. Now solution. Requirement A, that is calculation of net cash from financing activities. So cash flows from financing activities. Issue of share, per share 100 into total 1000 shares, that is 1 lakh taka. Then increase of share premium, per share premium taka 10 into 1000 share, that is 10,000 taka. Then dividend paid 30,000 taka within bracket, and redemption of bond 50,000 taka within bracket. Now 1 lakh taka plus 10,000 taka minus 30,000 taka minus 50,000 taka. So finally 30,000 taka. This is called net cash provided by financing activities. Okay, dear students. Now requirement B, that is cash flow statement partial for the year ended 31st December 2017. My dear students, we know that cash flow from operating activities will be started with net profit. So 2,65,000 taka. Then adjustment. At first, increase of debtors 30,000 taka within bracket. Then increase of creditors 20,000 taka. Then decrease of closing stock 25,000 taka. Then depreciation 15,000 taka. Then decrease of outstanding expenses 10,000 taka within bracket, and decrease of prepaid expenses 5,000 taka. Okay, dear students. Now 25,000 taka will be added to 2,65,000 taka. Finally, we will get 2,90,000 taka. That is called net cash provided by operating activities. Okay, dear students. Now requirement C, that is cash flows statement under indirect method for the year ended 31st December 2017. At first, cash flows from operating activities, that is net cash provided 2,90,000 taka. Then cash flows from investing activities. At first, purchase of furniture 80,000 taka within bracket, sale of furniture 60,000 taka, and purchase of land 30,000 taka within bracket. Then sale of long-term investment 50,000 taka. Then investment to another company 30,000 taka within bracket. Okay, dear students. Now net cash used by investing activities 30,000 1000 টাকা within bracket. Now cash flows from financing activities already has been calculated. Net cash provided 30,000 টাকা. Now 2,90,000 টাকা minus 30,000 টাকা plus 30,000 টাকা, that is net cash increase 2,90,000 টাকা. Add opening cash in hand 1 lakh টাকা. Finally 3,90,000 টাকা, that is called closing cash in hand. Okay dear student, thank you so much.